Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Coffee and Coding. Today, today we are going to try to use the ChatGPT API. So I'm pretty sure all that you need for this are pretty much the API key. So yeah, get yourself an API key. Go to this platform.openai.com. I put one in one of these files here, and we're going to just read it through that. So I'm going to try to hide it from anybody who might hack it, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get started here. Even know. Let's just list some models. Let's do that. How do you read? How do you send a HTTPS request? In C++. Should be pretty straightforward, right? C URL, curl.h. Okay. Forgot to set a timer. Let me do that so I don't lose track of time here. Yeah, also, as always, please leave comments on what we should do, how we should do this. This is for fun and just for interesting coding and enjoying coffee and tea and whatever. So, okay, so we could use curl.h. Initialize curl. Okay. Where can I get the curl.h file? Install curl.h. libcurl library. Okay. Let's try to do this. User Stojan not allowed to execute. All right, let's try this. apt get update. Okay. Well, I don't have permissions on my computer, so I probably set it up funky. Oh boy. Okay. Well, maybe we can. Another way to send. So what is another way to send an HTTPS request in C++? The boost library, beast. Okay. This is where we have to ask ourselves, why C++? Not having to deal with Node is nice, but I don't think it's nice enough to render. Let's just use some Node.js. Yeah, because folder. We're going to call this Node Chat GPT API. Okay, so then in here, let's just create a new text file here. We'll call this index.js. Okay, and in index.js, we're gonna require fs const fs equals that, and then we're gonna do fetch. What is it? It's this guy. See. Okay, so now let's do describe the fetch function in Node.js. Are you kidding me? I have to install. Are you kidding me? Wait, fetch. Customizing the request. Okay, Node.js node fetch. Node.js node fetch. Okay, all right. Let's just do this then. cd node chat. All right, npm init. There we go. There's their save. We'll just do npmi --save. Node fetch. Okay, so now we're gonna say class fetch equals require node fetch. Okay, so we're gonna fetch with a header here. Okay, so how do I fetch URL options? Headers. Identically accepted headers constructor. Okay, so we wanted to say, okay, so headers. Okay, so we want to grab authorization colon bearer and then the token. And bearer, well, bearer and then just a space plus key. Okay. And then we'll say fs node. Await open node fs promises. Open. So file is equal to fs dot open. All right, so const file equals fs.open. And then let's come over here and let's go like this. Move them in there. Oh, I can't do that. Oh. Okay, now you know my organization key, but you don't know my API key. So, okay, that was a bummer that it did that and didn't just move my. I don't even know why you need an organization key. Chat GPT API. Okay, so really what we're trying to do here is we're trying to say Chat GPT API key. Oh my gosh. Chat GPT API key .txt. Okay. So async function main. Okay, let's do that. Control X. Execute main. Control V. Okay. Okay. Console level. All right, so we'll say await. They're requiring Node::fs promises. And then we'll do open. Okay, save that. File.read lines. So we're going to say const key equals file.read lines await dot trim, I believe, to trim the white spaces. We got our key. Okay, let's just give this a shot here and see if it works. Node index.js. Require that was weird. What if I do that? Doesn't like that. It says node fetch source index. Oh, it's probably not. How do I import? Oh, node fetch. Straight up have to import it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, let's try to import from it doesn't like import either. Side of module. Okay, how to enable import statement in Node.js. To follow these steps, node version. .mjs. All right. So this needs to be called the index .mjs. fs is not defined. Okay, right, because we just need to call open. Wait, ignore. Close nevertheless. Discard. Okay, let's save that. Oops. MJS. File.readline. Maybe it needs to be .strip. Oh my goodness. Trim white space string Node.js. The trim method, yeah. Str.trim. String.trim. So read lines. What does read lines? Line of read lines. Interface constructor. Okay, type of. Maybe we just need to, so this was right. Trim. But let's just, yo, and then we'll do key or return. Okay. So what is this thing? How do I even... Oh, crap. Is it going to... Wait a second. Open package.json. Let's start with the package.json. All right, just so we don't leak our key by accident. All right, node index.mjs. Oh my gosh. Okay. How do I read from the output of a read lines? Okay, how to get string from read lines function Node.js fs. How to read the first line of a file into a string Node.js. Just tell me how to do that. Create interface, input, create read stream. No. Okay, well, I'm starting to get frustrated. Like, I don't understand. To read lines. Oh, I see. Read lines. Maybe if I take the first one. Undefined. Package.json. What in the... Okay. Read lines. Filehandle.read file. Filehandle.read lines. Read line interface constructor. Look at that, because they're... Read lines at 0. Okay, maybe we just take away await and see what happens. Oh my gosh. Oh, when did reading a file become such a hard thing to do? You know what I mean? FS file handle dot read file. Just do that. Read a whole file. Just read the whole file. Dot read file. Promise, await, give us a buffer, create a string from a buffer, create string from buffer Node.js, toString method, toString UTF-8, okay. Let's do that, toString UTF-8. Okay. Explicitly. Okay, we need to close the file. Well, we can close the file after we get the key. Wait, file.close. Okay, let's not console log the key. Whoa, what just happened? Invalid character in the header content. Authorization, okay. Headers. Okay. Dash H curl. What is the curl dash H flag? What is the curl dash H flag? Excuse me. So content type application JSON. That one's simple. So the user agent -h header value is the identical to the and accepted by headers constructor. How to set the authorization header using node fetch library. How do you do that? Is there URL or token? Authorization, bearer space, and then token. Is that not what I'm doing? Maybe I need to do that. Bearer space, token. Authorization. See now. Invalid character in the header content. Goodness. I don't even know what I did. All right, well, that's all we got for today. So thank you, everybody, for watching, and have yourself a great day.